So today we're going to have a little chat about variegated trees and variegated shrubs, and how very often, because the variegation is quite weak within the plant, you see reversion to normal green leaves appearing from place to place. And here we're standing beside a rather lovely variegated Turkey oak. It's quite a rare tree, and although the leaves are only just now coming out, you can see that they come out with a nice yellow, and as they mature you'll find there are silvery edges to these oak leaves. But what you can already see just down here is a little twig which has decided to revert to ordinary Turkey oak leaves, and that needs to be removed, which is very simple insofar as that goes. But if we look further up into the tree, you see that actually the whole of the leading shoot has got green leaves and not the variegated leaves it should. So I'm going to risk my neck on a rather inappropriate set of steps and see if I can get up there and cut out that little offending branch. So there we go. It's actually quite a big branch, but it's the leading end to the tree, and so we really don't want that as a piece of variegation. And I think there's another little bit coming out there, and a final branch there. So we'll just pull them out of the way a minute. And you can see what the problem was. We wouldn't have ended up with a variegated tree at all. We'd have had a reversion to an ordinary Turkey oak. Now this tree will probably do that again, and when we look closely we can see that it's putting on some ordinary green shoots just here and there, and we need to nick them out as well because they're spoiling the effect of the tree. When we look around, actually there are quite a few little tips that have come out with green leaves. There's another little branch up there which I'd missed. And another little bit there. Nobody can explain quite why a variegated tree behaves like this, but it's by no means unusual. And not every variegated tree does it, but a lot of variegated trees are capable of doing it. And the solution is much the same. You've just got to carefully remove the bits that aren't the true colour. And you may have to come back and do this for a year or two, but at the end of the day, hopefully the tree will now produce a new central leader and grow away with variegated leaves as it should. So a small job which ought to have been done probably 3 or 4 years ago, but now we have, and we've improved the tree no end.